Hello children, let us learn next case study which is based on probability. Here two dice have been shown, a pair of dice. Two people are there, that is Arun and Reshu. So Arun throws two dice and compute the product of numbers appearing on the dice. So here Arun is throwing two dice. If at all one occurs here and 6 in the other dice, so he will take it as 6. If it is here 5 and then it is 4, so he'll take 5 into 4 as 20. So that is how Arun is computing. Reshu throws one die. She is throwing one die. This point is notable. Arun is throwing two die, whereas Reshu is throwing one die. Based on this, our total number of outcome also will change. And what she is doing is she is going to square the number that appears on it. So she is having only one die. If 2 occurs on the die when she throw, then she'll take it as 4. If it is say showing 5, then she'll take it as 25. So she'll square the number and take it. But we have to follow the question how they are asking us. So let us see, and we will understand better in the presentation. Here Arun has two dice, so he will compute the product. So these are the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes of Arun will be, if you count all these 1, so 6 into 6, that will be 36. Total number of outcome of Arun is 36, whereas for Reshu it is only 6, because she is having only one die. The maximum number can appear here is 6. So she will be here throwing, if it is square, so 1 means 1 square, 2 is 4, then 3 9, 4 16, 5 25, and she will be taking 36 over here. The first question asked was what is the maximum number, that 36 Arun, in case of Arun it will. See, only in one case, check out at this point, 6 into 6, 36 will come. So how many times 36 will come product? That is only one time. What is the total number of outcome? That is 36. If at all this one in Reshu's case, how many times 36 is coming? Here even in her case also it is coming only one time. How many times 36 occurs in Reshu's case? That is, if 6 she shoots up, then it will be squared as 36 only one time. What is the total number of outcome here? It is 6 only. For Reshu, total number of outcomes is 6 because she have only one die. So let us see what is the question now based on. So just now we saw what is the probability of getting number 36 by Arun. So it is only one time, that is 6 into 6. Total number of outcome is 36. Option 2. And in case of Reshu, so what is the probability of getting number 36 by Reshu? So again it is one time only, 6 square, but total number outcome is 6 for her, so it will be 1 by 6. Then who has a better chance of getting number 36? Now when we compare Arun's it is 1 by 36, and when we compare Reshu's it is 1 by 6. Now which fraction is greater? Here the smaller the number in denominator, so Reshu has a greater chance or a better chance of getting number 36, because 1 by 6 is greater fraction compared to that of 136. So Reshu have better chance of getting 36. Next question. What is the probability that sum of two numbers appearing on the top is less or equal to 10? Now look here, this is sum. So sum of the two numbers appearing on the top is less than 10 for Arun. So let us check out in the. Okay, here what is the sum of getting, the possibility of getting 10 equal to 10 or less than 10. So let us first check which will be more than 10. So this is one time, that is 6 plus 5 11. This will be more than 10. This also is more than 10, which adds up to 12, and this is 11 and 11. Apart from this, look, this diagonally if we go, this is equal to 10, and all the other are less than 10, all the other things. So what we will do here is number of favorable outcome, we will take it as favorable outcome to be 36 minus 3, because these 3 are more than 10. So we'll take that is 33. Total number of outcome is 36. So when we cancel here, we will get 11 by 12 answer. So just now we saw here probability of that the sum of the two number being top less than or equal to 10, that is 33 divided by 36. We got 11 by 12. Option 3 is the answer. Find the probability that 6 may not come either time on throwing the two dice. So here we can check out 6 occurred how many times in this case. Here this full column you can see 6 has appeared either time. One time also it is okay. It is not necessary that it should come 2 times only. So these readings which we have seen occur 6 is occurring, but they are asked us 6 should not come either time. So what we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. 6 is coming 11 times, so total number of outcome are 36 minus 11 divided by total number of outcome. So this one is favorable outcomes numerator divided by total number of outcome. This is standard 36 only. So what do we get? 25 divided by 36. So the answer 6 may not come either time on throwing the dice is 25 by 36. That is just now we did it. Hope you all understood.